So we have to find out how far Dan and Chris are from each other by using the tan ratio in this case in order to find these two side lengths. Once we find these two side lengths, we are able to add those two together to find the total distance. So let's call this C. Let's find the length of AC. So the length of AC is going to be equal to, so we have to use the tan ratio here since we know opposite and we want to find adjacent and we already have the angle. So tan 28 degrees is going to be equal to opposite over adjacent. So AC will be equal to 7 divided by tan 28 degrees. So 7 divided by tan 28 is going to be equal to approximately 13.2 meters. Next we take a look at the other side, so tan 34 degrees. That will be equal to opposite over adjacent again, so CB. Let's just call it BC. So BC will be equal to 7 divided by tan 34 degrees. So 7 divided by tan 34 degrees, that's going to be equal to approximately 10.4 meters. And now we add AC and BC to find AB. So AC is 13.2, BC is 10.4, this will be equal to AB. So AB will be equal to, and for these values I'm using the exact values from my calculator, by the way. So I will get an answer approximately 23.5 meters. Once again, I am using the exact values here.